Pyramid on App Engine gets invalid response error, header values must be str, got Unicode. I am using Pyramid 1.3 with the AppEngine 1.6.4 SDK on OS X 10.7.3. I am using Python 2.7 and have thread-safe true in app.yum. In the above code, manager_swms generates a page which includes a form for uploading a file into the blob store. The form works okay and I can see the blob appear in the blob store when the form is used. The redirect from the blob store post is then to /upload_swm where I successfully take blob info details and place them into a SQL table. All of this is good, and the final thing I want to do is redirect to the first page so another file can be uploaded if need be and I can show the list of files uploaded. As per Pyramid documentation, I am using found location =manager/swms, the original page URL, to try and redirect however I get. AppEngine is clearly objecting to Unicode in the HTTP header, but I'm not doing anything unusual as far as I know. If I drop into PDB and take a look at the found object, the headers are. Why would I get a Unicode problem from these?
So it looks like you are overriding AppEngine's supported WebOb, which is 1.1.1 on the 2.7 runtime. And Pyramid 1.3 depends on WebOb, equals 1.2. This is most likely the problem because it was the blob store handler stuff that was keeping the SDK held back at WebOb equals 0.9 until SDK 1.6.4 was released. For you, this problem is expected to be resolved by SDK 1.6.5, late April. The only reason I know this is because I was trying to get all this crap resolved when the 2.7 runtime was deemed ready for general use, yet the SDK didn't support it. See this issue for more details. If possible, I would suggest running it with Pyramid 1.2, I know that works fine on AppEngine. And just hold off on moving to 1.3 for a few weeks. Smile.
Yet another answer. Adding a str fixes the problem, but not the root cause. I spent hours trying to figure out why one particular redirect raised this error while others didn't, before noticing that the URL for the bad redirect was missing the initial slash. I have no idea why this is the case. Possibly an incomplete path is processed differently from a complete one. But if you hit this error, try changing. 2.
If you want to do similarly, clave considera subscribindo.